So you've been thinking about moving to Arroyo Grande, California? Well, if you haven't been in the Redtail Meadow Estates area, that's up by Cypress Ridge Golf Course in Arroyo Grande. It's a really neat neighborhood, and I had the opportunity to actually walk through a house right here in the estates, and it's the first time this house has been for sale since it was brand new. These folks are just moving out. They bought it new in 1998. It's a gray Nestor built home, and it's just a great example of what Arroyo Grande has to offer. This is a nice, huge lot. The lot just goes on, and the house is really, really nice and big. It has RV parking. It's right by the highway, so it just couldn't be more convenient. It's close to golf, close to shopping, close to town, everything you need, but a big, beautiful private lot. So let's go take a look. Today we're walking through 585 Redtail Meadow Lane in Arroyo Grande. Again, built in 1998. The house is 2,348 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath in the lot. Like I said, big lot, 0.46 acres. So for in town, that's a really nice big lot. So lots of fun can be happening out in that big backyard. This is 585 Redtail Lane, no Redtail Meadow Lane in Arroyo Grande. So we're up on the Mesa. That's Mesa Middle School in the background, and that's Cypress Ridge Golf Course over where you can see the tall trees. But let's take a look at this house. It's a nice big single level house with a 3-car garage, big front yard. The whole lot is almost a half an acre, which is really nice and big. That's a huge bonus about Arroyo Grande is they have these nice big lots. So gorgeous front yard, real nice entrance, long lasting roof. It's a 1998 built house, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, a little over 2,300 square feet. Let's go in and take a look. So it's a nice wide floor plan. We open that up a little bit. There we go. So we have a nice wide floor plan, nice and open. You know, this big living area, and then we go into a nice, real nice, good size functional kitchen. The nice island. Hosting an open house, so there's all my fun open house stuff. But yeah, this is a real big spacious kitchen. There's a little desk area and outdoor seating in the front, just off the kitchen, and that goes off to the side. So here's our kitchen area, and then we go into a formal dining room. And just a sneak peek to that backyard. We'll be there in a minute. It's really cool. I like how this house, you see how all these different entrances to get into the main level. So it'd be a real good social place to be. Very flat, no steps inside of the house. Nice big wide hallways. A good laundry room with good storage in here. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. There's bedroom number 1, currently being used as an office. But that's okay. Okay, bathroom number 1. Real bright with the 2 sinks. And again, just this hallway is very wide. It makes this house feel very spacious. Lots of storage here. Let's go look at bedroom number 2. And don't forget, we haven't even seen the backyard yet. This backyard's really cool. So good size rooms. And then this is cool. I thought I was going to go into another bedroom, but see here, it goes right back into that big, spacious living room. Double doors going into the main bedroom Really good size bedroom. I couldn't figure out how to turn all the lights on in here yet. But look how big this bedroom is. Nice tall ceilings. Big walk-in closet. Bathroom is awesome. Look at all the storage in this closet. Really nicely set up. And then this bathroom is good for just about anyone. It's a step-in shower, really easy to get into. Big whirlpool. And then there's toilet area and then another set of 2 sinks. And now we're almost finished, but let's go take a look in the backyard. Lots of concrete, a little bit of grass. Always like to see that. That's less work. We have a hot tub here. Nice privacy lattice work. The yard goes over to the side. Like I said, this is almost a half an acre lot. Cypress Ridge up there. We have a real nice gazebo, pergola with a running little pond, a little waterfall. And then look at this, peaceful. A nice little pathway. You can go hang out under the tree. And this yard just keeps going and going. So we have mature fruit trees back here. Lemons, apples, oranges. And they are, look at all those apples. Yeah, they're producing trees. Take good care of them, they'll take care of you. We have a shed. We have more walking pathways. And then, see all the sprinkler systems. More mature fruit, looks like a different kind of apple. And then this here, these are double doors, and this is RV parking. And I think we have full hookups. I'm not seeing the hookups, but we'll have to double check on that. But definite RV parking. So really nice, big, spacious house. About the house, about the neighborhood, about moving to and from the Central Coast, call, text, email me anytime. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. And I am a relocation specialist. I absolutely love helping people move to and from the Central Coast. I hope to talk to you soon.